Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Maziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. On today's video, I want to teach about sorcery and why God forbids sorcery. Ne? So sorcery is a form of consultation, is viewed as sorcerers are people who are able to tell you about where you come from, like injabanta bakwazi ukubhula and all of those things. But what you need to know about sorcering is that they do not use umoya wakhe uNkulunkulu. They do not use the Spirit of God because they use other spirits to check your life. I'm going to make an example. Because I've lived, I've entered in spaces where I saw that mawungena kulesigodlo salomuntu uthola kunento lapha, maybe a doll or whatever. But that doll, uyayikhulumisa. That's when you saw good. If this person is using a doll, is this person truly using the Spirit of God or usebenzisa some idolatry stuff? And in that specific doll that bega lapha, he would even say, you can even kneel down to it and ucele ukhulume whatever. So in my mind, I was like, what is this now? So I've seen how other people operate. And this was like Ngatini in the early stages of my gift, where I was discovering my gift, where I would have people telling me about my gift, even though ngazange ngibatshele. But I'm sharing this because of I'm experienced. I've seen things through this. So why God forbids sorcery? Lento ukuthi uhambe uyohlola ngempilo yakho. Yebo uyahlola kubantu ababhula ngamathambo, abathandazi and all of that. Ngiyabasiza abantu. Mina ngiyabakhulekisa. Ngiyakhuleka, ngisebenzisa igama lakho. Bese ke ngiyakutshela into izulu elingambulelayo ngawe. If kungananto abangambulelayo ngawo, good. And on top of that, I've learned that my consultation are more of like therapy. I'll be speaking to people during my consultations, and and some of them I even speak like ngathi kudala ngibazi, sikhulume ngempilo, siphane advice and experience and how to tackle such this and this and that. So the people that God has given me or has come across me is people who are pretty much the same as me. I'd like to think that because of, even though some people are different, because I've even met people I've helped. But yeah, let's move. Let's go to sorcery. So, uyibona kanjani sorcery? If the Bible explains it uses different spirits, and those spirits do not come from God. And already there's Lucifer and his angels. So we really need to be watchful, mindful, vigilant. Sibone sikhumbule ukuthi sike saconsulta kuphi, sike sangena kuphi. Kanti ukungena kwethu lapho sayifaka kuma chains anzima kabi. So these are the reason why uNkulunkulu angayifuni isorcery. It is deceptive because kusetshenziswa ama-spells and kusebenzisa communicate nemimoya just to achieve certain goals. Number 2, it bypasses God's authority. Shukuthi these sorceries abawusebenzisa umthetho kaNkuluNkulu newisdom kaNkuluNkulu, ngoba ungakwazi ukungena kulawo ma-sorceries uphethe isithombe somuntu, uyakwazi ukungena kulawo ma-sorceries yazini uzenzele ukuthanda, ukhulume usho into oyifunayo bese iyayenzakala. So when you bypass God's authority, it's like you taking vengeance for yourself, you taking revenge for yourself. uNkulunkulu athi I'm the avenger. So if you go to a sorcery usho ukuthi umuntu kanje nakanje ukwenza kanje, or you discover that, and then all of a sudden they ask you that sishaye iphinda mshaye, already you like, these people are not following God's law, because of God says I'm the avenger. Give your enemies to me and I will show them that you are my child. Moving on. Number 3, it is a form of idolatry. It is a form of idolatry, ngiyavuma, because of uyangena lapha kunento ekuthiwa khuluma naye or what. Already idolatry is you believing in a certain God, is Thixo. So you don't consider God mawulapho. Awumcabanga uNkulunkulu creator lokudalile. So focus kuleyo nto leyo that you are exposed to. Kufuneka igama lakho lapho, kufuneka isibongo sakho, ku-track, you are being tracked down. That is why some of you go for consultations, and then all of a sudden wena ulwa nogobela, the person who was once your helper is now someone that is fighting you. I've experienced that all of a sudden this person who supposed some person who needed to help me, but because of ngibonele izinto, but I'm so grateful because of that person was able to tell me that I am jealous of you. I am jealous of your gift. And immediately once he said that ngomlomo wakhe, today we don't even have a relationship. Asixabananga, but God wangibonisa ukuthi this is what the person thinks. Let's move on. I'm moving on to the final one. So number 4, it is spiritually dangerous. Sorcery is spiritually dangerous because it opens you up to interaction with evil forces, which is so true. Uthi uqeda ukungena kule ndawo, masowuphuma awusakwazi ukulala, usonama-spiritual attacks, imali yakho iyabopheka, iyafaseka, uyaqala ke manje uba ney'nkinga ongazazi. And why we are saying it's spiritually dangerous, these sorcerers are very dangerous because they can do noma yini. Mangithi kunabantu ababulalwayo before time, it is through sorcery. Kuthathwe loyo moya waloyo muntu abantu bayozenzela because of laphaya i-authority kaNkulunkulu abayisebenzisi. Into abayifunayo nje ukuthi babulala umzimba wakho, baqeda ukubulala umzimba bese bathatha umoya wakho bayokuvalela somewhere. And some people say, but why God allow? God allows it because of for in the first place, who said you must go there? Sometimes we cry and say uNkulunkulu akasithandi, uvuma kanjani ukuthi sihlupheke kangaka. I'm going to make an example. Uthola ukuthi ekhaya ninomuntu enicabanga ukuthi ushonile kanti akashonanga, bekuthi wetshelwe loyo muntu loyo. Then you ask yourself ukuthi abe uNkulunkulu uvumeleni, why mara? And then God starts answering you. And now so uyaqala ke manje uyawabona ama-mistake wakho ukuthi abanye abantu abagcine bafola into these traps. It's because of iy'nhliziyo zabo. It's because of ubu-selfishness babo. It's because of, some, they take advantage of you umuntu olungile. Uthi wena sizokusebenzisa. So imagine umuntu ngoba umphi igama lakho nesibongo sakho, or umuntu akucela iskipa sakho. If you went to consultation bathi let's skipa, let's isicathulo sisenze, you have given them something. Abanye, we don't even know the person that you dated. Wathatha ipaint lakho wayolisebenza, wathatha iskipa sakho because of uyeshi. Sorcery is very much dangerous. And izinto masezibheda zisibhedela siyakhala kuyo uNkulunkulu sithi akekho, kanti uNkulunkulu masekakubhekile face to face athi I didn't send you there from the first place. But because of red flags, red flags. So sometimes he allows these things to happen to us so that at the end of the day, we will give him the glory. So vuleka amehlo, because of these people are not using the Spirit of God. If nje kuthiwa letha ini kabani, letha isithombe, letha ini. And even on social platform, ngiyabamangalela abantu who are excited about back to the sender, about ama-rituals, balokolo bathatha izinto, bayifaka amagama abo, bayenza izinto, bese bakupha ne-specific date ukuthi le ritual kumele yenziwe ngeyi-30 zaka-August, or ngizoyenza example yenziwe ngeyi-31st zika-October. When uyayenza uthatha igama lakho, wenza yonke into, kanti on that day bona bayazi ukuthi kunabantu kunemimoya ekumele bayidonsa, so busy uyakhuluma laphaya, kanti into vele eyabo, it's a cult yabo, into abayenza. So guys, be careful. Umuntu ezothi hey ngine spiritual ritual, le nto izokulethela imali kule viki, the moon is like this is a red moon. Guys, be careful because uNkulunkulu akafuna abantu abakhonza the moon and the stars ukuthi imoni. Be careful. Ngiyanicela, ngiyanxusa. I love you so much. Akube nobumbano, nozwana, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wethu.